Hey everybody, it's Stu. I just wanted to take a minute and show you some cool thing that we got going on. Courtesy of Southern Specialties. Starting to put together our official custom Shacklemen handcuff pick sets. First and foremost, we've swapped out turning tools for double-sided shim designed by Coxie over at Coxie's Picks and produced by Southern Specialties. This thing is awesome. This set is going to Not Too Dead, so you can try all this out. And I stole one of these for me, so I already started using that one. The set, based off the tool set, so it's a 6-piece set, comes with these 4 profiles that are really handy for escaping cuffs, learning how to get out of cuffs. Got a hook, kind of a medium hook, but it's the elephant trunk. You have a ball pick, half ball pick, and a long reach. So you can kind of straighty pokey thing. You can do the swoop attacks, these, and kind of figure out a lot of different stuff with those. The last 2 of the 6 are special. So they got the Shacklemen cuff club on the handle. These are handled shims, and they are the 2 sides of the Coxie design. So we're very excited to start playing with these. And we're going to start sending these sets out to the original Shacklemen. Mr. Not Too Dead, Coxie's Picks, and Deadlocks will be the first ones to try these out. So, just thought I'd share that with y'all. Have a great day.